Go. Moonwalk. All right.
Good job.
That's good, guys. Hip hop. The hip hop team. Team Anora. I'm so excited to have my closing today. I'm so excited to have my closing today. All right, let's go to Dickies. Let's go eat.
Yeah!